Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Chess application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, open your App Store on your iOS device. Also make sure that the device that you're using is connected to a stable internet. Once you open up App Store, tap on the search button at the bottom right. Go to the top of the screen and type in chess and search. In the search result, look for this application from chess.com. Now tap the get or the download button and wait for the application to install on your device. After waiting for a while, the application will be installed. Tap the open button to open the chess application on your iOS. And that's how you easily get chess application installed on your iOS device in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more videos like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.